So today we are going to discuss Angular 20 default project structure which we got at the time of creating the new projects, right? So that thing we are going to discuss today. But before going these topics, have you followed my previous videos? Because in the my previous video, I have covered like how to install Angular, how to install like VS Code, and how to install the node, because those three things are required to be continue with this Angular uh, stuff. Then if you did not see my previous video, please go and see the how need to be ready our environment for doing the things. So in my previous video, I have created one project which I have shown you through the like command how to create the project. And even today also we are going to create the project, so you can get familiar with this. So yesterday we have created one project like day one project, and today we are going to create one more project, day two project. And in the day two project, whatever the default is project structure we got, we are going to be explain each and every files. Okay, so let's start creating the project. So for creating the project, we need like CMD window. In the CMD window, actually, we need to be first focus the drive where you want to create the project. So I'm focusing the drive which is F. So in F drive, I'm having the Angular 20 folder. So I need to go inside this folder first. So first I will see the correct name. So we have the Angular. I have that folder. Oh, I missed the CD. I'm in the Angular 20 folder. Now we need to create the project. So for creating the project, we have like ng command. So you have to give the ng command, ng space new space your project name. I'm giving my project name is day 2. Why I'm maintaining is day wise, because actually I'm going to share this everyday work in my GitHub repository. So it is very easy to be tracked like what we have done and what we are going to do tomorrow. And whoever following my videos, it's easy to be download my code from my GitHub. Okay, so I will post this in my GitHub. So if I will provide that GitHub repository URL in my description, so please follow that. I'm creating this. So once I will done with this, like enter, it will create the project for us, and it will pull all the required dependencies. So meanwhile, it will ask you some of the questions. When it is going to be create the project, it will ask some of the questions. Yesterday also it's asked, right? So do you want to enable the CSS? Yes, we need. And second question is like, do you want to be enable server-side rendering? So right now it's not needed, but we'll discuss later. And it's also not needed right now. No. And click on enter. It will create the project structure for you. So once it's done, we'll open the VS Code, because we are VS Code is the editor where we are going to do the things as we need to be do the HTMLs and CSS and everything's right, so that we can do in the VS Code. Wait for some time. Actually, it will creating the project structure. So every day will create the new project only. So why I'm creating the new project? Because if you do this every day, right, so you will be more familiar with the commands which is we you need to be right at the time of creating the new projects. So slowly you will get familiar, you will get used to be right commands, and then at the time of the interview, if anybody asks you how to create the project uh, through the command, you can easily answer them. It is installing the npm packages which is required for this Angular project. Generally, it won't take much time because it's depends. This speed is depends upon your internet speed. So if your internet is like high speed internet, then it will create in a fraction of seconds. It's taking time. Need to keep patience. Yes, it's done. So our project structure is created inside this folder. So first we need to go to the folder which we have created, right? So our project is like cd. What is the project name we have given? Day. So now we are in our project. So what you need to do, you need to open this project in the VS Code, right? So for that we have the command, like you can write code space dot. Once you will click on enter, it will open into the VS Code. So it's opening our code in VS Code. So you will be able to see the project like day project is we have created. So so inside the project we have so many files, right? So the main focus which we need to be doing the initial phase, right? This is the src folder. So we'll discuss about today this src folder first, and then later in my later videos we'll cover the whole existing files, which is the like configuration files, which is not needed right now. If I discuss this right now, you will be confused only just because it is the day two, right? We have to understand only the required and needed files which is we need to be worked, right? So if you see here, right, the in my content also I have mentioned key parts you will be used to most, right? So so src app is the folder where you will create the new component, services and models. So this is the one which we are focusing, and inside this we have this app dot, right? App dot is the component. So earlier it is the app dot component, but nowadays it is the app dot we are getting this. So the root component, like the home page, it is act as a home page. So if you're familiar with this ASP.NET and C Sharp SQL Server, there whatever the website development we are doing, we have the master pages, home pages, right? So same kind of things we can have here also. So it's like a app dot whatever the module we have, right? that is root component. We have to be decide like what is the root component, and it will act as a home page. So we have this angular.json site. So we'll go to that file and we'll discuss setting for how Angular builds and serve your project. So it depends upon like how your Angular project is built and how it is going to be served you, right? And the package dependency, whatever the package we have inside our solution side, those are mentioned inside this package.json. So we'll go one by one. So if you expand this src folder, right, you will be able to see this app, right? So inside the app we have this it is the app component. So in the app component is nothing but a root component. So in app component we have you have to focus on this html file. So where you have the whole html codes. So first we'll run this project, so you will be able to understand the changes which I'm going to be performed, right? So for running our project we have the command. So what is that? ng serve. So ng serve we have to be right for running our project. So once we will run this command, I think I have given the space, but we'll see it is accepting or not. It's building. No, it's not the problem. So it's running. It will launch the like our UI. So this app.html, we have all the html codes which they have written in default, but we'll change this code in today's session, and we'll print some hello messages to explain like how need to be proceed with the work. Okay. So we have this css file app.css. It is like it is not the global css, it is the component level css. Suppose you have the app page, right? And in the app page, if you in the app component, if you want a specific css which is only responsible for this particular app component only, right? So you can write those kind of the css inside this. And even we have options to be like global. We have this css this style.css file. This is the global css. Like if you want any common css which is you need to be follow apart from the component in the another component also, right? So globally you can take the css here. So we have this app.ts file. So ts is nothing but a typescript file where you need to be write your typescript related code. So we'll see one by one this also. Okay. So as you know, right, in the Angular we are deal with this TypeScript, right? So this TypeScript code we need to be write here, and this is the index and main. Those are the like index is the main HTML for us to be enter into the HTML. So it is the like first HTML page where you can see it is the parent page for all the components, and it is the root for them. Okay. And the main.ts, it is the like main component main.ts file where your TypeScript code is going to be run. Okay. So I don't want to waste the time for discussing the things. We'll go and do some demo, small demo. So what we need to do first, we need to be have this like app.ts and app.html. So inside the app.html, you will see, right, so many codes. First you can see in the like HTTP. First you will see like how it's look like, because we already run this project, right? If you see here, day is the project which we have created, and this is the content which is having in the app dot. So do you want to verify this? Okay, we'll verify it. So if you see here, right, congratulations, your app is running. So that kind of the message we are getting, congratulations, your app is running, right? So what we can do, we can delete this code first, or we'll comment it. This CSS also will removed. We'll delete it. Okay, and then once you will delete and you save this, so you will see here, right, you are not able to see anything right now, right? Only just what you need to do, you need to be have some heading tag, and inside the heading tag, say you can take this h1 tag. You can take the h1 tag, and inside h1 tag you can take welcome to my channel and titles. So title we are not deciding right now, so I will explain how you will see this, but first you can see the looks here. So welcome to my channel, and single day is coming, right? So right now is the like title is the single day. So what you need to do, you need to be change like go to the app.ts, and inside the app.ts, if you see right now, it is title is this, right? So you can comment this and take one title. So inside the title you can change the things. Inside title you can write it coding framework. It's my channel name, so I'm printing this. So if you refresh this, you will be able to welcome to my channel coding framework. So how it is getting. So if you see, right, I have mentioned like here, display from the app component class to this is the Angular interpolations data binding. So we'll discuss more about this, because whenever you need to be bind your data into the like TS component to HTML template, then you should use this kind of the binding. Until unless you will not get the data. If you want to like see here, like if you remove this, see, this is the one which we are taking this interpolations, right? I'm taking this in one, and then I'm saving this. Then you will not see the like will get some errors, right? So so we have to take the interpolations data binding here for binding our data. So I don't want to go for big topic right now. Only just practice this first, so you will be able to understand like how you need to be bind your data from TS to this particular HTML. So whatever the HTML change you want, you can do it here first, and practice whatever the you can take h2 tag, and then give your name Vishwa, and then paste it. So you will see the here. So whatever the controls you want to take, you have to declare in your HTMLs, and then it will go to that. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Practice this, and once you done, I will discuss in the day 3. I will discuss more topics. So today only just I have focused about this app component. and in the later videos I will explain each and every files, each and every concept which is required for the Angular 20. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channels and follow the old videos. You will be a champ and in the end of this range. Thank you.